What if watercolor could give you the control needed to capture lifelike portraits with incredible depth, looseness, and ease? Renowned artist Chung-Wei has developed an approach that may change how you think about watercolor portraiture entirely. The unpredictable nature of water-based media has long made portraiture one of watercolor's greatest challenges. However, by understanding how to control water content and brushwork, you can achieve the precision of oil painting while retaining watercolor's unique luminosity. This insight transforms watercolor from a medium that controls you into one you can truly master. Now, you can explore watercolor portraiture with confidence, knowing you have the methods that support rather than undermine your artistic intentions. Chung-Wei is the first artist in Taiwan to achieve signature membership in both the American Watercolor Society and the National Watercolor Society. As a Dolphin Fellow of the American Watercolor Society, he holds one of the most prestigious honors in American watercolor painting. Art critics describe his work as channeling the spirits of masters like Turner, Sargent, and Homer, while establishing an entirely new direction for contemporary watercolor. Through his alla prima watercolor with dry brushing technique, Chien demonstrates that watercolor portraits can achieve the precision and luminosity many believe impossible with the medium. Inside painting portraits in watercolor, you'll get to witness a demonstration that represents decades of technical development and artistic insight. You'll observe every decision, every brushstroke, and every problem-solving moment that creates a finished portrait. Chien believes every serious watercolor artist should have access to methods that expand rather than limit their creative possibilities. No artist should have to choose between the subjects that inspire them and the techniques they can handle. Visit PaintTube TV today and discover how to paint watercolor portraits with complete confidence, alongside Chung-Wei and painting portraits in watercolor.